Mary and Kai, did Linthicum try to kill 4 Baltimore County Police officers, or did those officers aggravate a mental health crisis? That is what was up for debate in the courtroom today and is now up for a jury to decide. Taking a look back at the facts of this case, it all started with a call from Linthicum's dad to 911, reporting his son armed and suicidal. 3 officers responded and attempted to make contact with Linthicum, who was sitting in his bedroom with an AR-15 rifle. Authorities say Linthicum fired 16 rounds at police, striking Officer Barry Jordan in the hip and lower back. Linthicum then escapes, leading police on a 3-day manhunt spanning multiple counties, during which Linthicum encounters another officer along Warren Road. Detective Jonathan Chee testified he pulled over for what he thought was a hitchhiker in need of help. Body-worn camera footage shows Linthicum firing 14 rounds at Chee, striking him in the arms and face. Chee survived after 10 days in shock trauma, multiple surgeries, and nearly a month in the hospital. In closing arguments, the prosecution calling it a terrifying homicidal rampage, while the defense argued everyone was in the wrong that day, including police. Defense attorney Deborah Levy continued to question why police initially approached Linthicum instead of calling in crisis intervention specialists. She also questioned why Detective Chee approached Linthicum alone on a dark road with a manhunt underway for an armed and suicidal suspect. The only person David wanted to kill was himself. He was mentally ill, she said. In rebuttal, the prosecution called the argument ridiculous, saying officers were simply doing their jobs and did nothing to threaten Linthicum. Now, we weren't able to grab an interview with the prosecution yet, but take a listen to what Levy had to say about the case.
We have tremendous trust that this jury is going to be fair and apply the Constitution and come up with the right result.
So you're feeling confident that they will decide what?
No other comment.
As for the criminal counts being deliberated by the jury right now this morning, 10 of Linthicum's 27 charges were thrown out. Those were duplicate charges as well as crimes committed against Linthicum's dad, John, who has said repeatedly that his son didn't and never meant to hurt him. However, the more serious counts still stand, including attempted murder against 4 Baltimore County police officers. Now, the case was turned over to the jury about an hour and a half ago. A verdict could come in any minute. It could also come in tomorrow. I'm about to head back into the courtroom, and we'll keep you updated with the latest. Reporting live in Baltimore County, Rebecca Pryor, Fox 45 News.
I'm Kai Jackson. Thank you for watching. Here's another video to watch. Also, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel.